Hey everybody, this is a quick video on Bunn Coffee Makers. Out of all the Bunn Coffee Makers, they have their top performing bestseller, the Bunn BX 10 cup coffee brewer. This is a fantastic coffee maker for your home or small office. I bought one for my office so that I can make myself a quick pot of coffee when I get to work or whenever somebody stops by the office during the day. This machine makes coffee fast and the flavor of the coffee is always consistent. Although I have never found many of the Bunn coffee makers to be much of a fashion statement, this unit is fairly high-tech looking with its black and stainless color combination. Since the water flows out of this unit so quickly using a shower head type spray pattern, I highly suggest that you always use genuine Bunn coffee filters, as the store brand filters are usually not tall enough, causing the ground coffee to splash up and over the edge of the shorter filters. This morning put the icing on the cake for me. I had just put coffee in the basket when the electric went out. I thought no coffee. There was a cup left from yesterday, maybe I could heat it in the microwave, but couldn't even do that. Then it hit me. There was heated water in the tank. All I need to do was pour the cold water in to push that hot water out. So 5 minutes into a power outage, I was brewing a nice, hot 5-star cup of coffee. I would think that one could brew coffee even a half hour into a power outage. The only downside to the Bunn is that it is not a 12 cup. But I can put up with that after this morning. To get more details, please click here now.